Good morning, everyone. It's my immense pleasure to convey that Transitional Curriculum 2022-23 for our budding doctors has started on 15th March. The day one was started by virtual inauguration done by Ms. Madhuri Mudol Ma'am, President of TIEI, who guided our students with her great words. Our guest of honor, Dr. Prashant Iyer Sir, Dean Indian System of Medicine, RGHS Bangalore, enlightened our students with his inspirational words. Our chief guest Dr. Subhash Patil sir continued the session by delivering motivational ideas to students. Later, Dr. Sanjay Kadlimati sir carried out the session over the topic uniqueness of Ayurveda over other system of medicine. In the day 2, the function is inaugurated by guest of honor Dr. H.R. Kati sir, renowned orthopedic surgeon Bagalkot, who motivated our newly joined students to follow the discipline and dedication to learn medicine of miracle, that is Ayurveda. Chief guest Dr. Nandakumar Rudragowda sir, Principal RKM Ayurveda Medical College Vijaypura, motivated our students with the topic Uniqueness of Ayurveda. Eminent guest speaker Dr. Girish Tanapagowda sir, Professor and Head of Department Dasashastra and Vaisheshya Kalpana, SVP Rural Ayurvedic Medical College Hospital and Research Center Badami, has motivated our students with the topic Contribution of Ayurveda to the World. In the afternoon session, the function is inaugurated by guest of honor Dr. V.R. Suragavi sir, renowned orthopedic surgeon Bagalkot, who inspired our students by saying students have chosen the right system of medicine and right college as well. Chief guest Dr. Sachin Batra sir, Principal TIRS Navanagar, motivated our students by saying to follow commitment, dedication and to be good to others. Eminent guest speaker Dr. Chandrakant Budni sir, Associate Professor, Department of Shalyatandra SVM Ayurveda Medical College, Ilkal, has motivated our students with the topic Surgery in Ayurveda. In day 3 of Transitional Curriculum 2022-23, it is inaugurated by Chief Guest Dr. A.H. Balikai, Principal Shantadevi Memorial Ayurveda Medical College, Vilagi, who has inspired our students with the topic Basics of Ayurveda. Eminent guest speaker Dr. P. Sridhar Reddy sir, Associate Professor in the Department of Samhita Siddhanta, Samadha Ayurvedic Medical College, Aland, has motivated our students with the topic Ayurveda's national and international reach, higher education in Ayurveda, job opportunities, etc. In the afternoon session, the function was inaugurated by our guest of honor Dr. Sagar Patel sir, General Physician in Kerudi Hospital, Bagalkot. Guest speaker Vaidya Sharad Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Samhita and Siddhanta, SS Ayurveda Medical College, Haveri, has enlightened our students with the topic Skill Development in Ayurveda. And one more eminent guest speaker, Dr. Siddhanagowda sir, Associate Professor, Department of Kaya Chikitsa, SS Ayurveda Medical College, Haveri, has inspired our students with the topic Clinical Success Stories in Ayurveda. In the day 4 of Transitional Curriculum, it was inaugurated by guest of honor Dr. Shivanand Bhattadesai sir, founder of Shakuntala Multi-Speciality Hospital, who has enlightened our newly joined students to follow the discipline and dedication to learn Ayurveda system of science. Chief guest Dr. Prashant Jadar, Vice Principal and Dean KLES BM Kanganwadi Ayurveda Medical College, Belgavi, has motivated our students with the topic Measures initiated by the Institute to prevent incidents of ragging. Eminent guest speaker Dr. Praveen Kumar Patil sir, Associate Professor in the Department of Shalyatandra, SPS Ayurveda Medical College, Mundragi, has motivated our students with the topic Basic Life Supports and First Aid. One more eminent guest speaker, Dr. Arhant Kumar, Assistant Professor in the Department of Samhita Siddhanta, STM College of Ayurveda, Udupi, who has inspired our students with the topic Introduction, Importance and Implementation of Samhita Adhyayana. In the afternoon session, the function was inaugurated by guest of honor Dr. Narayan Mutalik sir, Professor and Head Department of Psychiatry, SNMC, Bagalkot, who has inspired our newly joined students by saying students have chosen the right system of medicine and right college as well. Chief guest Dr. Muralidhar Badiga sir, Professor and Head of Department Rajna Sharira, BLDES Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya, Vijaypura, has motivated our students with the topic Journey from BCMB to BMS. Our guest speaker, Dr. Ravi Bhatt sir, Associate Professor in the Department of Kriya Sharira, STM College of Ayurveda, Udupi, has motivated our students with the topic Basic Principles of Ayurveda. One more eminent guest speaker, Dr. Kishore Kumar Rajapurohit, Associate Professor in the Department of Roganidhana, STG Ayurvedic Medical College, Kupal, has motivated our students with the topic What is next after BMS? In day 5 of Transitional Curriculum 2022-23, it is inaugurated by a guest of honor Dr. Amresh Deginal sir, renowned neurosurgeon, professor and head in the Department of Neurosurgery SNMC Navanagar, Bagalkot, who has motivated our students and said them to be sincere, honest, and loyal to the science of life. Chief guest Dr. Muralidhar Badiga Sir, Professor and Head in the Department of Rajana Shahira BLDS Ayurved Mahavidyalaya Vijaypura, motivated our students with the topic Introduction to Nervous System. Guest speaker Dr. Vinod Jadhav Sir, Professor and Head in the Department of Shalakya Tantra, Sri Vijay Mohandesh Ayurved Medical College, Hospital and Research Center Ilkal, has motivated our students with the topic Scope of Higher Studies after Ayurveda. In day 6 of Transitional Curriculum 2023-23, function was inaugurated by guest of honor Dr. Keludeppa Talavar, pediatric neurologist in SNMC Navanagar. Chief guest speaker Dr. Rajshekhar Hiramat, Principal Vivekananda Ayurvedic Medical College, Lingasagur, has inspired our students by his motivational talk. Dr. Vijay Kumar Chavadi, Professor and Head in the Department of RSPK, MRN Ayurveda Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, Navanagar, has inspired our dear students with the topic Current Scenario of Ayurveda. In the afternoon session, it is inaugurated by our beloved principal Dr. Prahlad Gangavadi Sir and dynamic dean Dr. Shivgoma Gangal Sir. Eminent guest speaker Dr. Praveen Palet, Professor and Department of Gagat Tantra, RGSMC, has motivated our students with the topic Motivation and Personality Development. One more eminent guest speaker, Dr. Raghavendra Shattar, Associate Professor in the Department of Kaya Chikitsa, RGSMC, has motivated our students with the topic Relaxation and Stress Management. In day 7 of Transitional Curriculum, the function was inaugurated by our guest of honor, Dr. Lingaraj Chandragi, renowned ophthalmologist, professor and head in the Department of Ophthalmology, SNMC Navanagar, has motivated our newly joined students and said them to be sincere, honest, and management of time in student life is very important. Chief guest Dr. G. Vinay Mohan Sir, Principal of Sri Shiva Yogeshwara Rural Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital in Jal, has inspired our students by his motivational talk. Eminent guest speaker Dr. Munal Rudragowda Sir, Assistant Professor in the Department of Kriya Sharira, RKM Ayurvedic Medical College, Vijayapur, has motivated our students with the topic Sharira Kriya and Cryology in Ayurveda. In day 8 of Transitional Curriculum, it is inaugurated by guest of honor Dr. Adivesh Arakere Sir, Vice Principal, SBGMCH Belgari, who motivated our newly joined students. Chief guest Dr. Sabida Halavar Ma'am, consultant dermatologist and cosmologist, Anaga Skin Care and Cosmetic Clinic, Bagalkot, has inspired our students about hard work, perseverance, and discipline. Guest speaker Dr. Kashinath Sir, Associate Professor in the Department of RSPK, BLDA, AVS Ayurved Mahavidyalaya Vijaypura, has enlightened our students with the topic Distinct Tendency Ayurveda. In the afternoon section, the function was inaugurated by all the delegates and the session was continued by the eminent guest speaker, Dr. Harish Deshpande Sir, who inspired our students about the topic, the concept of Dinacharya in day-to-day life. We had another eminent guest speaker, Dr. Shangaling Maiduragi Sir, Professor and Head in the Department of Sharir Rachana, SVM Ayurveda Medical College Ilkal, who guided our newly joined students about the topic Best Ways to Learn Anatomy. In day 9 of Transitional Curriculum, the function was inaugurated by guest of honor Dr. Prabhaya Prabhuswaminath Sir, renowned general physician, professor in the Department of General Medicine, SNMC Navanagar, who had guided our newly joined students and said every student should work hard to learn the science of life and make the parents feel proud. Chief guest Dr. Rajesh Udpudi Sir, Dean and Professor in the Department of Kaya Chikitsa, JSS Ayurvedic Medical College, Mysuru, has inspired our students with his motivational talk. Eminent guest speaker Dr. Sharad Kulkarni Sir, Associate Professor in the Department of Shalatantra, IAMR, Bangalore, has motivated our students with the topic Ayu Visibility. In day 10th of Transitional Curriculum, the morning session was inaugurated by President Ms. Madhuri Mudol Ma'am. Guest of honor Dr. Veerana Lokapura, consultant physician at Patil Medicare Bagalkot, addressed the newly joined students to focus on the subjects and respect the teachers. Chief guest Dr. Manjunath Kavimat Sir, Principal of Sri Krishna Ayurveda Medical College, Sangeshwar, has inspired our students by saying good efforts and sincerity will take you to the success in gaining the knowledge. Guest speaker Dr. Anand Kati Sir, Professor and Head in the Department of Samhita and Siddhanta, GMC Bangalore, has motivated our dear students with the topic Time Management. In the afternoon session, the function was inaugurated by President Ms. Madhuri Mudol Ma'am. Guest of honor Dr. Sandeep Kuikul, nephrologist at Hulgol Kidney Care, Bagalkot, has addressed the newly joined students as hard work compassion, and empathy would make you a great doctor in the better healthcare professional in future. Guest speaker Dr. Ravindra Kumar Arunshi Sir, Professor and Head in the Department of Chikitsa of Sanjeevani Ayurvedic Medical College Hubli, has motivated your students with the topic Future and Scope for Ayurveda in various fields. In day 11th of transitional curriculum, the morning session was inaugurated by all the delegates. Chief guest Dr. Venkatesh Bhagwat, BCM MA in Sanskrit, inspired our students with his great words. Guest speaker Dr. Pramod Shet Sir, Associate Professor in the Department of Chikitsa, MIAMS Manipal, has motivated our dear students with the topic communication skill. The afternoon session was inaugurated by all the delegates, and our chief guest Dr. Jairaj P. Basarigiraj Sir, Professor and HOD in Panchakarma, DGMAMC Gadak, has enlightened the newly joined students. Guest speaker Dr. Budesh Kanad Sir, Professor and HOD in the Department of Swastha DGMAMC Gadak, has advised dear students about the topic personal health and hygiene. The valedictory function of Transitional Curriculum 2022-23 was conducted on 28th March. The morning session was inaugurated by our President, Ms. Madhuri Mudol Ma'am. Our guest of honor, Dr. Vijay Kumar Shabapati Sir, renowned neurosurgeon at Dhanush Hospital, addressed the newly joined students to focus on their studies constantly to become great doctors in future. Our chief guest, Dr. A.S. Nitin Sir, Principal of Rajiv Institute of Ayurveda Medical Science, Hassan, has inspired our students by saying, set the goal, be confident enough, and constant study will take you to the success. Our guest speaker, Dr. Jagadish D. Sir, Assistant Professor in the Department of Rajana Sharira, Ashwini Ayurveda Medical College, has motivated our students with the topic Scope and Research in Ayurveda. Our President, Ms. Madhuri Mutol Ma'am, said in her presidential address, as study hard, learn Ayurveda, and practice Ayurveda in future to globalize Ayurveda. The whole program was conducted in the presence of respected Principal, Dr. Prahlad Gangavadi Sir, and our dynamic Dean, Dr. Shivkumar Gangal Sir, along with efficient faculty members and newly joined beloved students of the college. Thank you everyone.